Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. I'm getting things done around here. My green beans are doing really well, you can see. And I'm getting this pile burned off so I can start getting some of this dirt out of the ditch. Over on the other side of my yard, you can see a burn pile over there going too. Over there. And this is the one I just started up. And I just wanted to come on here and show y'all that I'm working on some of those projects that I keep mentioning that I need to do. I finally have some time. And isn't that weird? It's Mother's Day and I like doing stuff like this. So it makes me happy to get things done. And everybody else is busy, so I'm not doing their projects and I'm getting to actually do my own projects. And once I get this pile of limbs going, down a little bit, I'm going to try to get those tree stumps right there over onto this and burn those off too. And working, it's not as hot out here right now, it's later in the evening, and hopefully I can get it looking nicer up here for the summer and get some more flowers up here. And I would like to stain that wall that I've got going on across there. It leads up to my arch where my bridge is, and but it's a work in progress, y'all. Let me give y'all a sneak peek at my hens, how they're doing. Hey girls! Hi! Hello! Hey girls! And you can see where I've got the stuff out of the back. I left that piece in there because I don't think I'm gonna throw that away. It's got hard wire, chicken wire on it, and I'm thinking I'm gonna use that in here somehow. I just haven't figured out what I'm gonna use it for. So I left that piece in there, and I'm gonna tear out this thing right here that used to be old chicken boxes, and they've gotten up there now and been like, because they get up in that window and roost. So I think I'm gonna put the roost right here, and since they've been roosting up there, they've gotten chicken poop all over there. So I'm gonna tear out that and probably put their nesting box on this right side and the opposite side. In the past, I've had the chicken roost in the back on that back wall, but every hen I've had has always migrated over to this window, so I think I'm just gonna do that instead. But they're happy. I wanted to share the hens with y'all and show you how big they're getting. Bye girls. Bye. Bye girls. Some people probably wonder, are they really doing that yard work? Yeah, I'm doing this yard work, and I'm not just some person that gets myself all cleaned up and pretty, you know, for videos, or, you know, like I hadn't been working in the yard. But I do. He's done finished the bottom part, and now he's replacing the boards up here on the top. And I got the stumps from up there and put them on my fire. So, but anyways, I wanted to come on here and let y'all know that yes, I'm actually doing the work that I say that I'm doing. I'm not just pretending and lying and saying that, you know, I'm doing those things. That's why it takes so long, is because I am doing them by myself. My husband helped me, but he's got his own projects going on. You can hear him hammering over there on the deck. And but yeah, eventually I'm gonna have this to, you know, look exactly like I want it, with my flowers in my garden. I want to put a porch on that chicken coop. That's one of the things that he's gonna have to help me do. I'm gonna use actually the decking boards that he's got on the deck, because it's already got that weathered look. So, but that's my plan. But that is what I'm doing. Still working on this area, because eventually I'm gonna have it looking nice up here and pretty. I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great day, and like, subscribe. Bye y'all.